Hi guys, welcome back. We're on lesson 24, adding and subtracting fractions that have common denominators. So we're going to keep up with our fractions lessons and we are going to be adding now, okay? So let's take an example number 1. If we have 1/4 plus another 1/4, let's visualize that, these first few ones. That means I've got this one and another fourth, right? That means if I put those together, it's still going to have 4 on the bottom because it's still going to be out of 4. But I'm going to take this guy right here. I'm going to plug it in right there. So it's this one. This guy gets plugged in over here. So I have 2 out of 4. 2 out of 4. Let's say I have another one. Let's say I wrote that problem wrong. I didn't realize it was 1/4 plus 1/4. So the actual example looks like this: 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4, because I don't think you're going to be reducing yet. The common denominator is 4, right? And if I have 1, 2, 3/4 of one of them, I have 3/4. So you just write it like that. 1/2 plus 1/2 gives us 1/2 plus 1/2. Make sure you're writing this down. Example 2. This equals 2 is on the bottom, and on top, 1 plus 1 is 2. Guys, when we have the same thing on the top and on the bottom, it is 1. So you always want to reduce your fractions to the simplest term. And I don't know how much reducing we're going to be doing quite yet, but at the very least, if you get 2/2 or 3/3 or 4/4, whatever, you want to reduce that down to 1. All right, let's look at example number 3. 7/8 minus 2/8. All right, our common denominator means 8, and we're going to do 7 minus 2, which gives me 5. Okay, example 4. 2/4 minus 1/4. You're going to keep that denominator the same, so that's going to be 4. 2 minus 1 gives us 1, so it's going to be 1/4. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and, actually, this is another good one. The last example shows 1/2 minus 1/2. We keep this as 2. 1 minus 1 is 0. Guys, anytime you get 0 on the top like this, it doesn't matter how many slices the pizza is sliced into. The whole answer is 0. So if you get 0/16, that equals 0. 0/72, that equals 0. So on and so forth. All right, guys, try those sample problems, or the practice problems. On page, losing things. On page 117. So pause the video, give those a shot, and then come on back. 3/8 plus 4/8 equals. We're going to keep that guy the same. We're going to put a 7 right here because 3 plus 4 is 7. I suppose I should, if I turned that a little bit. Let's see. Oh, that makes it worse. Wrong way. All right. So, now I'm breaking things. All right, so B is going to be 3/4 plus 1/4. Keep that denominator the same. 4. We're going to 3 plus 1 gives us 4. This reduces down to 1. C is 1/8 plus 1/8 plus 1/8. Okay, on the bottom still we have that same thing. It's going to be 8. 1 plus 1 is 2 plus 1 is 3. Excellent. 3/8. D. 4/8 minus 1/8 equals 8 on the bottom. 4 minus 1 is 3. So we get 3/8. E. 3/4 minus 2/4 equals. We keep that the same. 4. 3 minus 2 is 1. F is 1/4 minus 1/4 equals. We're going to keep this the same. 4. 1 minus 1 is 0, so this reduces down to 0. Excellent work, guys. I can't wait to get into harder fractions with you because those are a lot of fun. Give it a shot. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, I will see you in class. Thank you, guys.